Hi everyone, it's Miss Newton from wonderplaydiscover.com, and today we are making a video about how to make your own homemade Forky, just like this one. So Forky is a homemade toy from Toy Story 4, and I like to do this activity in the very first week of school, because in Toy Story 4, Bonnie, one of the main characters, makes a Forky on her very first day of school, just out of things that she finds in the classroom. And the story is pretty cute. So today we're going to be showing you how to create your own homemade Forky. All you need is some forks. I found these on Amazon. It's a huge box of them, but I've been using them all year long for our breakfast club and our snack program, and for crafting, and for our mud kitchen, so it's a really good investment. You need some pipe cleaners, some modeling clay, I went with white just like in the movie, some popsicle sticks so that your little one can sign the bottom just like Bonnie, some googly eyes, and the best glue from Crayola, colored glue that shows up really nicely on plastic, and I found this at Dollarama, so it's a really good deal. And I think that's about it. So I'll take you through the steps on how to make Forky. And for your very first week of school, when you're going to be doing this with your class, I highly recommend this story, all about Bonnie's first day of school. If you can't get your hands on some of the materials to make Forky, this book has some awesome cutouts of Forky, and it tells you how to make your own Forky. It has some stickers, and it has the story about Bonnie going to school and making Forky. I'll put a link in the description, in my video description, about where you can find this really cute book.